In this Dropify AI review, I'm going to be showing you if this platform can really help you with your Shopify dropshipping store. So suppose if you are actually struggling with the dropshipping business, can Dropify AI really help you guys? So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Dropify AI is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get Dropify AI at any time during this video, make sure you guys click the second link down in the description in which you can get my premium bonuses which you're going to be getting in the members area right inside Warrior Plus. And there is also a link which is the first link in the description in which you can get my free affiliate marketing guide. So it's an absolutely free guide that has personally helped me to make up to $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So if you want to get this free guide, make sure you click the first link in the description. Now let me show you my bonuses. So you will be getting these special bonuses as well as these premium bonuses over here. So I will leave this doc in the description so you guys can have a look at all the bonuses that you're going to be getting once you purchase Dropify AI through my link. So you get the secret Dropify FB group, 10 GB of cloud storage, Trendycom and all of that. Then you get these amazing softwares like Webinar X, Bookmaker Pro, AI Force, Web Creator 2.0, Plexity AI, and it goes till here, which is Webinar Studio, and you get the full access. So I will leave a link to this Google Docs in the description below. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, now you too can access the secret point and click domination platform that generated 3.4 million in sales in less than 9 months. So they are claiming that they have made almost this much amount of money in sales in just 9 months. So first of all, I would like to tell you guys that making almost $3.4 million in sales in the first 9 months as a beginner dropshipper, it is not that easy to make this much amount of money. Dropshipping business itself is really hard, but they are apparently claiming that this Dropify AI can make you that much amount of money. So I will be showing you a tutorial in which you can have a greater understanding about Dropify AI later in the video. Actually, my friend is going to be doing a tutorial on Dropify AI later in the video. So now let's have a look at the sales page. So you can see all these sales generated by their clients in the Facebook group. So that's great. They have made quite impressive sale. Again, it is not for everybody. It won't be that easy to make money like that. But still, if you want to go ahead and try it, you can try it. So those are like great numbers. And if you look at here, you got 3 simple steps. So the first step is that you have to log in, then you have to create the dropshipping store, and you can get the traffic and sales. I'll be showing you in the tutorial, which is going to be taken by my friend. So if you scroll all the way down till here, you can see that it can benefit all these people. So it's for ecom store owners, drop shippers, physical product vendors, small business owners, brick and mortar businesses, local business owners, FB marketers, digital agency, freelancers, newbies, and even advanced marketers. So it's all for these people. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see how Dropify AI can help your dropshipping business. Because it can be a unique store creation technology, upfront inventory, high cost margins, high profit margins, zero competition. First of all, I would like to tell you guys, maybe Dropify AI will help you with higher profit margin, but it's not that easy to have a high profit margin in Shopify dropshipping, because the usual profit margins are about 10 to 20%, I would say. Maybe Dropify AI will help you a bit, but again, it's not that easy to make money. And you have zero competition, rapidly scalable business, then secret dropshipping sources, target perfect FB audience, instant access our expensive team of experts. Then you get zero experience necessary, then the best possible timings and all of that. Then so here it says here it says how Shopify AI will automate, how it is gonna automate your business in order you can make faster money. So they have this dropshipping store technology, they have this easy to use control panel, then they have store manager, then they have products, orders and customers management system, they have unlimited customization, then they have got this cutting edge software, then product vault database, manage multiple listings, sync orders, then product and inventory watchdogs, then pricing rules, and then marketing tools made easy, advanced reporting system, payment integration, inbuilt marketplace, fraud prevention, Dropify Chrome extension, social media integration, world class support, easy to follow tutorial. So you have got all of these things that you can automate it in Dropify AI. So all of this I'm going to be showing you in the tutorial right now. Before that, let me show you the price of Dropify AI. So if you scroll all the way down till here, you can see the price of Dropify AI is at $14 and $17. So for the personal it is 14 and commercial turbo it is 17. I would recommend the commercial turbo one because it is $17 only and you get additional all of these features. And I'm going to be telling you how you can get an instant discount on these $17. So all you have to do is just reload the page. And after you have reloaded, all you have to do is move your cursor like you're about to close the tab. So you'll get an instant pop-up on the commercial turbo. So you're actually only going to be paying $14 on the commercial turbo. So it is actually $17. So since you have qualified for your $3 discount, you can get it for $14. So I definitely recommend the commercial turbo. Now let's jump into the tutorial.
So David here, and in this demo video I'm going to walk you through the incredible power of Dropshipply, the amazing features, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with this amazing app. Okay, this is a completely brand new app. We have completely rebuilt it entirely from scratch, and as you can see we have implemented a ton of new features here and improvements, and I'm going to walk you through it very fast. Okay, I want to show you the new additions and everything new we have added. Okay, so here's the main dashboard. As you can see right here, you'll be able to see all the information about your stores, your orders, products, and also the revenue. Okay, and also all the marketplaces and channels that you have connected. Like for example, if you have a WordPress Shopify store, you can connect it right here. If you are dropshipping from CJ, you can see your store right here. Okay, and if you scroll down, okay, you can see a bunch of other data, okay, like your earnings performance, site analytics, and also, you know, a ton of other information. Okay, everything will be displayed right here. Now moving on, we have marketplace, and now this one is probably one of the most amazing things that we built inside Dropshipply. Okay, this previously used to be our app store. Now we have made it much more complex and bigger. Okay, so it's going to give you access to a ton of different apps and themes for your stores that you can use to grow it dramatically. Okay, you can see a ton of different categories right here on the left. Okay, we have apps in any niche and category, really. Okay, like and also professionally designed themes. If you need, you'll be able to pick everything right here. Okay, and then of course, if you have later on, I will show you in channels that if you have a Shopify or WordPress WooCommerce store, you would just add it here. Okay, I mean, first you have to install, get the right, you know, plugin, you add it, and then you'll be able in channels right here to add your stores. Okay, your stores will show up right here. So if you have a Shopify store, you will see it here in this tab right here. It's connected, and then WordPress as well, and CJ. Okay, because we have CJ, you can dropship from CJ if you want. Okay, and then of course, yeah, everything will be displayed right here. Now products, this is where you will see all your products displayed that you have imported into your store. Okay, so all products, just click that one and you will see everything displayed right here. Okay, if the products are not added, you'll be able to do it right here. Okay, product sourcing, you can import. This is where you'll source products from different places. Okay, so we still have AliExpress, okay, which is gigantic. Okay, it's an amazing source, but you don't need to dropship from China if you don't want to. Okay, because as I said, we also have a new addition like CJ, which is pretty good, and we're gonna be adding also many US suppliers as well. Okay, and as you can see right here, there's a ton of different products from CJ that you can import to your store. Okay, now orders, moving on. This is your order manager where you will see all your orders displayed. Okay, everything that's going through, that's happening in your store. Okay, if people are buying products, you will see them right here. Okay, and you can also fulfill products right here by clicking that. You can also view orders. You just click on view order and you will be able to see everything related to your order right here. Okay, which I think it's really, really cool. Now moving on, transactions. This is where all your transactions will be. Okay, it's kind of like a transaction manager. Okay, where you'll be able to see all the transactions. Okay, completed, pending, canceled, all of that will be displayed right here. Now appearance, I'm gonna go through the demo really quickly, guys, because otherwise it would take me hours to go through each and every feature. And then of course appearance, this is where once your store is created, basically this is where you will fix all the appearance of your store. Like for example, themes. Okay, if you click that, you will be able to pick a theme for your store. Okay, now we have some free themes. The majority are free, and then we also have paid themes, okay, which I think are really, really cool. Okay, and if you want something more fancier, you can get it right here. Okay, but you don't need to pay for a theme right now. Okay, you can just start with a free theme. Okay, then later on, as your business, your store grows, then you can eventually buy for a theme, no problem. Now, yeah, of course, there's appearance has a ton of different things that you can do. Like for example, you can set the menu structure. Okay, right here you can decide what you want to do, okay, for your store. And also right here, pages, you'll be able to set all the pages on your store. Okay, the legal pages, privacy policy terms, the return policy, shipping and delivery, payment methods. Okay, all will be displayed right here. Okay, you can set it here. And then of course we have also you can set also the SEO settings for your store and a bunch of other stuff. Now settings, shop settings, it's where you'll create your actual store. Okay, it's a simple step-by-step process. You will go here, you will input all your details about your store. Okay, a description for your store, the name of your store. Okay, a notification and reply to email. If you need customers, to send you emails, you can give them this address. Okay, and then other things. You can also set the location of your store, all the details of your company, PWA settings. Okay, right here. Additional CSS. This is for developers. Okay, if you want to add something to your store, you can do it here. And theme, logo, and favicon and social, you will add your logo right here, the theme color and everything. Okay, now we also have the payment methods. Okay, options. So you will set the payments, okay, the gateways that you want for your store. Okay, for example, PayPal and Stripe, for sure these are the most important ones, but we have like 10 plus 15 plus different payment gateways that you can choose from. Okay, you will need to set them into the marketplace first. Okay, so you go there. Okay, let me show you quickly. You click on payment gateways. Okay, right here, payment gateways, as you can see, and you will enable the one that you need. Okay, we have all of this, so just pick the ones that you want to use. Okay, and then of course we have a ton of other things, like for example pricing rules to set for your store. And then also we have a ton of other things like customers. This is your customer manager where you'll be able to manage all your customers right here. If you want to check who bought what, you can check it right here. Okay, now also we have all the shipping details right here, and analytics and marketing. This is for the GTM tracking tools. Okay, so if you want to implement pixels, Facebook pixels, Google Analytics codes, GTM tracking tools, or also integrate WhatsApp, you can do it right here. Okay, again, you have to enable the apps in Marketplace first. Okay, and then they will display it here. Okay, the analytics apps will display it right here. Okay, So this is pretty much it, okay? I wanted to go through it very quickly, but this is a powerful app, guys. You won't be disappointed by jumping on board, I'm telling you, because and plus we are going to create and expand on this platform exponentially in the future. So once you join, you will be pretty much with us for life, okay? You'll be getting a lot of updates and new improvements as we move on, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on board. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial of Dropify AI. Now let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrade. As I mentioned, the front end is only gonna cost you $17 and $14. It is not actually $44.95. I've made a mistake right over here. But the second OTO is the first OTO is gonna cost you $7, then second OTO $2.99, third OTO $47, fourth OTO $29, and the fifth OTO $97. So you can upgrade Dropify AI based on your needs after you have bought the front end of Dropify AI. So after you bought the front end, you can upgrade the OTOs based on the needs and features. So that's basically it for this video of Dropify AI. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.